Racing just is started. We have Melody Magic. Break week, let us start. Moving a party outside. Minsan, Sophia's Fury. And on the outside comes Angelic Boys Interceptor. Be My Baby comes next. Shining Gold while Grace Park Boy is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Minsan, Melody Magic is down on the inside, and on the outside comes Sophia's Fury. Running 6 deep comes Angelic Boys. Be My Baby comes next. Shining Gold Interceptor still second last, while Grace Park Boy is still racing in less. And on the far turn we have Minsan now takes command by about 2 lengths. Be My Baby in second. Sophia's Fury is still racing in third. Melody Magic, and on the outside comes entry number 3, Angelic Boy, Shining Gold Interceptor, while Grace Park Boy is still racing in less as they swing for home. We have Minsan, this time by about 4 lengths. Melody Magic, Be My Baby, Sophia's Fury. Last 50 meters, the program opener belongs to Minsan, Melody Magic, close. Sophia's Fury, Be My Baby, then comes Interceptor.